I'm James. This is Eros. Did I scare away all the niche snobs out there? Just kidding, I'm kind of a niche snob now too, so. If you already know this fragrance, then do you really need to watch this video? I mean, please watch it anyway, because I'm cool. But for those of you who don't know this fragrance, congratulations, you stumbled across a pretty cool fragrance, guys. Versace Eros is a sweet, minty fragrance with a bit of apple, definitely a whole bunch of vanilla and tonka bean, which translates to a crowd-pleasing fragrance. Amongst the fragrance community, Versace Eros has been tagged as a clubbing fragrance, which means it's a compliment-getting fragrance that gets compliments because it performs. It projects pretty nicely and creates a nice scent cloud around as you walk through the club, creepily eyeing girls out of your league. I wasn't really a huge fan of clubbing, I just pretended to be. Oh boy. So again, the main players, vanilla, tonka bean, mint, and apple. It's a nice combination of sweetness, a bit of greenness, and a bit of zest from the apple. But keep in mind, even though mint and apple are fairly fresh notes, this is not a fresh fragrance. Wear what you want when you want, but yikes. Why I love this? I think it smells really nice. Even though it's a fragrance that is overdone and overhyped and over-marketed and all that, this sells, and it sells for a reason. Everything happens for a reason, guys. I always make the argument that you're not really trying to impress fragrance connoisseurs, you're trying to impress the general public, and they don't have the wealth of fragrance scent knowledge that we do. So why not wear something that you know they're gonna like? Why I hate this? Yeah, it's not unique. As you smell more fragrances in your lifetime, guys, you get bored of certain fragrances, and this is kind of one of those fragrances. I associated this with going out, and going out wasn't always a pleasant experience for me. God. And this also falls into the category of reformulated fragrances. It used to be a lot more powerful, but now it's a little less powerful. Still powerful though, but you know, just a bit less. So if that bothers you, then whatever. Is this purchase worthy? Yes. Now hear me out, guys. Has this fragrance become one of those annoying clubbing scents that we've all smelt? Yes. But the reason I recommend it is because it's still likable and it still performs a lot better than most designer fragrances out there. Another cool little thing that I've done which has made me like this fragrance again is I've repurposed it. I don't wear this when I go out anymore. I just wear this as a winter fragrance. A winter workhorse, actually. This has been a cool weather dumb reach for me. When I don't know what to wear and I want to smell good for quite a while, I'll throw this on. It makes sense in my mind because I'm a fun-loving guy. I like to have fun, and I like to embody that with my fragrance. I also want to be smelt in the cool weather, so why not reach for a powerhouse? Sometimes I just want to chill and just put on something reliable and call it a day. Let's talk about this fragrance in the comments, guys. What do you think of Versace Eros? Because as always, this is just my opinion. And for those of you who are Versace Eros haters, you have probably turned this video off already, so I don't need to appease to you guys, but I also respect you guys.